2016 Ram 1500. Got custom wheels. Jared's standing in the background looking like all, you know.
Bro, you can't see me. You just followed me out.
I can see you in the wheels.
You can see my legs.
There's his legs. Ram 1500 2016 with custom wheels, custom lift. Really nice truck. 5.7 HEMI. Factory converter there. Wise into a single 3-inch pipe. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe and deleted the muffler and replaced it with a beautiful THRUSH. When was the last time you guys seen a THRUSH muffler? Look at that. Here it is right there. There'll be a part number 17661 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Just 3-inch in, 2.5 out. There. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back. Factory. We left the factory resonators on it there and there. And replaced the tips with black 4-inch roll tips out the back to complete the look. There and there. He didn't want the signature 5-inch. He didn't want them too big, so we did 4-inch for him. Came out clean, nice, beautiful. There's a factory muffler on it. It was a single in, dual out. There's the factory tips that were on it. We cut them off and replaced them with black to complete the look. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, USA. THRUSH. Crack manifold. Still sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 100. THRUSH. Not bad at all, actually. Resonators, 4-inch tips. Again. Not bad. Sounds so nice. Got a nice stance to it too. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. The bag is taking the show. Ram with 26s on it, guys. Got THRUSH muffler and 4-inch tips. Stock resonators. Good looking truck. Nice. Enjoy, guys.